This is Mahmoud Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I listed drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I'll draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 150 by 76 unit. Then I will extrude both it to in this way 60 unit. After that, we can see we have some rectangular extrude cut. So first of all, I will extrude cut this portion, and this portion has a dimension of, we can see, 100. This dimension is 150 minus 16. Okay, then the height, if we talk about the height is 60 minus 25. Okay, then in the top, this top surface, we have another rectangular extrude cut, and this rectangular extrude cut has a dimension of 150 minus 30 unit, and this length has a dimension of 18 unit. Okay, in the top face we have another extrude cut like here, and this extrude cut has a, this distance is 76 minus 18 minus 40, and this distance is 150 minus 30 unit. Okay, then we can see we have another extrude cut in here, and this extrude cut has a dimension of, if we see about, this height distance is 20 unit. Okay, and this distance is like 150 minus 30 unit. Okay, after that all of the extrude cut has been done. We can see we have two extrude cut circle here, and here one is here and another is here, and this two extrude cut circle has a dimension of 13 diameter, and they are apart from 14 unit in this vertical, in this horizontal distance, and two circle has a distance of 40 unit, and their horizontal distance is 10 unit. Okay, so let's do this. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center rectangle, place the center rectangle here. Now dimension it to 150 by 76 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 60 unit. Okay, now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now it's time for this side rectangular extrude cut. So I'm selecting this side. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle from here. Okay, now place the corner rectangle here, and now dimension it to, the vertical dimension is 60 minus 25 unit, and the horizontal distance is 150 minus 16 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, after that press OK. Now this time select the top face here. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle in this point. Now the vertical dimension is 150 minus 30 unit, and the horizontal dimension is 18 unit from here. And again select another rectangle. The vertical dimension is 150 minus 30 unit, and the horizontal dimension is 76 minus 18 minus 40 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. After that, select this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle, place the corner rectangle in this point, and draw a rectangle. After that, select the expand dimension tool, and this line from this horizontal line, the distance is 20 unit. Dimension it to 20 unit. Now isometric for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. Now it's time for doing the circular extrude cut in this surface. So I am selecting this surface. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 13 diameter, and again draw another circle of 13 diameter. Okay, Now select the Smart Dimension tool, and this circle has a horizontal distance of 14 unit, and both circle has a center distance of 40 unit. Okay, center distance of 40 unit. Now it's time for horizontal distance, and both circle has a horizontal distance of 10 unit. Dimension it to 10 unit. Okay, this one also, and also select this circle and dimension to 10 unit. Okay, all the dimension has been done. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now StudyCad. Now StudyCad it to through all both. Okay, now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, now we'll draw this upper portion, and for drawing this upper portion, we can see we have a circular profile here, and this circular profile has a dimension of 20 radius, and as you can see from this line to this line, the distance is 105 unit. Okay, so from this center line to here, the distance will be 105 unit minus 20 unit. Okay, after that I'll draw a tangent line here, and then from this point I'll draw a vertical line and then close the shape. And after that we can see we have circular extrude cut here, and this circular extrude cut has a dimension of 20 diameter. Okay, then I'll trim these unnecessary lines. And for drawing this sketch, we can see it is placed in the middle of here, so I'll gonna select this face and select this back face, and then I'll take a reference plane along this here, then I'll draw this sketch. And this sketch has a extrude boss of 16 unit. Okay, so if we talk about this is 12 unit, and this is the half dimension of 16 unit is 8, so it is placed at the middle. If we, because 12 unit plus 8 unit it is 20 unit, and also 8 unit plus 12 unit it is 20 unit, so it is placed at the middle. So I'm selecting this face. Now rotate it. Now control click this face. So two face has been selected. Now select the reference and select a plane, and the reference plane in the middle will be created. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now select this plane. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. After that, now select a circle and place a circle here and draw a circle of 20 radius, so it will be 20 multiplied by 2 is 40 diameter. Now select the Smart Dimension tool, and we can see this circle from this vertical line has a distance of 105 unit minus the radius. Okay, now it has a vertical distance of 20 unit, so dimension it to 20 unit. Now press OK. Now select a line tool, and from this point draw a tangent line. Okay, a tangent line has been drawn. Now again select the line tool, and from this point draw a vertical line. Now close the shape. Okay, the shape has been closed. Now press OK. After that, select a circle and place the circle to the previous circle center. Now dimension it to 20 diameter. Now select the trim option, and from the trim option trim the unnecessary line we don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 16 unit. Extrude boss it to 16 unit, and from the mid plane now press OK. Now you can select this plane, and now you can hide this plane because we don't need it anymore. Okay, so as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.